is for apple, juicy and red.
B is for bed, where you rest your head. C is for cat, who likes to purr. D is for duck, who says quack quack sir. E is for egg, cracking open wide. F is for fish, swimming with the tide. G is for grass, growing so green. H is for hat, the best you've seen. I is for ice, cold to the touch. J is for jam, spread just enough. K is for key, that opens the door. L is for leaf, lying on the floor. M is for milk, creamy and white. N is for night, when stars are in sight. O is for owl, hooting in the tree. P is for pie, as tasty as can be.